Alright, so we have this used Craigslist water heater. It's called a 501 Reliance. It was made in 1990. 91, 20 years old. And we tried to let the pilot here. We went to pilot, and this air was on hot, and I lighted it and it didn't lit up. So I read the instructions and it told me to turn all the way off, which is clockwise. So I got this white tab all the way to over here. Then I started the pilot and it worked great. And then I turned from pilot over to on, and now it's on, and I turned on the water.
Any leaking at all?
Not yet. And I think the water is filling up as we speak. So this thing should be full of water. So everything seems to be working so far. Just hopefully minus no leaks. Again, it is 20 years old. But the pilot is working. The only reason why I got it is because I'm thinking like, 20 years old, it must have been just taken out and sitting around for a long time.
This is like when I graduated from school.
And my other thing is, it seems like old stuff was made really good, but
Yeah.
who knows about water heaters? It's a gamble.
So metal construction.
Now we gotta do the foil before it gets super